Billionaires are flooding the Wisconsin Supreme Court race with cash, giving not to candidates, but to parties. Billionaires George Soros, Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker, whose family owns Hyatt Hotels, and Oklahoma mother-daughter duo Lynn and Stacey Schusterman have given the Wisconsin Democratic Party at least $2 million in the first few months of 2025. Meanwhile, Diane Hendricks, chairwoman of ABC Supply, and Richard Uihlein, co-founder of the packing supplies company that bears his name, have given at least $1.7 million to the state Republican Party. While donations made directly to candidates for Wisconsin Supreme Court are capped at $20,000, donors can give an unlimited amount to political parties in the state, thanks to a loophole in state law, and those parties can distribute unlimited amounts to the candidates. The donations from billionaires are largely being used to run ads for and against candidates Susan Crawford and Brad Schimmel, in an election that will determine the ideological majority of Wisconsin's highest court for years to come. I'm Srijitha Patra, and to read more of this article, you can go to www.thebadgerproject.org.